Thank you, CB's crew, for supporting our Circle Plus.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It is Saturday morning. If you're new here, welcome back to our Circle Plus. I am heading out. It's early. I'm heading out to a food market to pick up some ingredients and some food so I can cook for my friend who I just lost, my best friend, for her mom. I am going to bring her some Southern comfort food. And I'm hoping the goal is to make her smile. That's the goal. So stick around and follow me. Hey y'all, so I've made it to my destination, honey. When I'm on a mission, I am on a mission. So I'm gonna show you where I'm at. If you're in Texas, you may be familiar with this market. It's an international market, and when I tell you they have all kinds of foods, they do. All kinds of international foods. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and I'm gonna show you where I'm at. The name of this place is Fiesta. So I'm gonna bring you guys in here. Now, as you walk in, they have a huge selection of like Mexican food or Caribbean foods, fruits. They have a nice sized bakery. Let's see what else. Got some fruit. Yeah. They also sell in bulk. This is just the seafood section here. They have an array of seafood. We got crawfish. Of course, it's crawfish time here in Texas. Ooh, them things. Blue crab. They got it. And if they don't have it, they'll get it for you. Well, as you can see, they have specified aisles for different foods. Central American, Caribbean, Africa, Middle Eastern, Polish, Greek, Italian, German, British, on and on. Okay, y'all, so real quick, I'm home now. So what I ended up getting was smoked neck bones, these right here. I got some oxtails. So this package and this package is oxtails. I got some spring onion, and I got something to carry the food in. So that. I picked up a thing of minced garlic. And I didn't know this, but I have the seasoning for this, but this is seafood boil. So I'm going to use some of you slap your mama next time I have a seafood boil. And smoked paprika. I got some red potatoes. I was looking for some fresh greens, guys, but they didn't have them. So I was like, I'm very funny about my fresh vegetables. I got fresh green beans, which I'm going to clean, season those. And then I have onion. And what else did I get? I think I got some drinks. And, of course, I got some fabric softener. Running low on that. I got some mac and cheese, elbow macaronis. So I'm going to make some mac and cheese. Of course, I got my Reynolds wrap and my Ziploc bag. So, and then I bought her a watermelon. So I'll take that to her as well. So I'm going to start preparing, guys, to cook. And when I get to a point to where I can start sharing what I'm doing, then I'll bring you guys back. Y'all, it's later in the day. Your girl is tired. I'm tired. I've been in this kitchen today. It is almost, well, it's 3:30, okay? I promised her mom that I would have the food out there by 2. Didn't make it, but I don't think she'll be disappointed. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. Okay, y'all. So real quick, I didn't have anything to put the rolls in, but these are dinner rolls. Okay. These are oxtails. Okay. Mac and cheese. The green beans and red potatoes. So that is it, guys. So I'm getting ready to take it out to her house. And I bought her a watermelon, of course. But this is it. This is it. Your girl is tired. So anyway, thanks for joining in. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And join the CB crew. All right. I think I'm going to videotape. I think I'm going to do a... I think I'm going to take myself cleaning the kitchen because it's a hot mess right now, y'all. It's a hot mess. Can't take the time to show y'all, but when I come back, I think that's going to be a second video. So anyway, I'm going to do a cleaning video as well. All right. So I'll see y'all soon. Bye.